Can, can you tell us what are solar panels? Solar panels are a lot of small mirrors. They are called solar cells. What does solar mean? Solar is another name for the sun, as these cells use sunlight. They are called solar cells. How does light become electricity? These solar panels are put on high poles or roofs. What happens at night or on a cloudy day? The panels can store electricity. Just like my toy car battery. Exactly, by using we save trees and water. Yes, we save trees and water. Otherwise, how will we live without them? Sun is a renewable source of energy. It will never end. It also pollution free. Did you understand? Yes, ma'am. Now we know very well why solar energy is important. Now tell me, what are other applications of solar energy? Solar water heater. Solar lamp. Very good. Solar traffic signal light. Very nice. Now all of you go to the class. Thank you.
ಮುದ್ದು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಈ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಕಿಟ್ಗೆ ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶನ ನೀಡಿದಂಥ ಸತ್ತಾ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅವರು ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಫೋಟೋ ತೆಗೆಯಬೇಕು.